You're watching MontyTV. I'm Jacki Karsh, sitting down now with Benny Bueller. He is the founder and CEO at Velo 3D, which develops 3D printed manufacturing solutions. Thank you so much for sitting down with us, Benny.
Thank you for having me.
Are we really at the point where we can use 3D printed devices or solutions in the real world, or are we still at the phase where they're just a prototype?
3D printing allows you to make parts and systems of much higher performance that you could do before in previous technologies. You have access to much broader design space, much more optimal solutions, and it also can dramatically reduce the development time and the production time. In the last 1.5 years since we launched our product, we focused entirely on the manufacturing of end-use parts for mission-critical applications. All our customers are using Velo 3D solutions in places where the existing 3D printing solutions that they tried to use were non-sufficient and couldn't meet their manufacturing requirements. We have customers in space, in oil and gas, and in aviation that are starting to use it as a mainstream manufacturing technology.
Why have some industries been reluctant to use 3D printed devices?
So if you look at these industries, aviation or aerospace and energy, there are two reasons why it has been so difficult to actually use 3D printing for production of end-use parts. The first reason is in order for companies in these industries to use 3D printing as a manufacturing technology for end-use parts, they need to transform completely their development paradigms, and this is really hard to do. The second issue is that quality control for 3D printing is really hard, much harder than previous technologies. The combination of those make it very difficult to adopt manufacturing technology.
So when a company eventually adopts it, do they switch over completely to a 3D printed product?
3D printing becomes another important tool, but it's another tool in the toolbox of this manufacturing company. We have a full stack solution that expands in a dramatic way the manufacturing capabilities of the technology. It expanded in such a way that now you don't need to design anymore explicitly for 3D printing in order to make the parts manufacturable. The parts are going to be manufacturable even without you thinking about how to manufacture them with 3D printing. The second thing is that 3D printing by its nature can produce very high quality material, but quality control has been very tough. We provide a quality control solution that allows very fast qualification as well as systematic quality control while in production. So the material quality of 3D printing can actually be as high as and higher than existing manufacturing technologies that are used today.